Welcome to NexTechie Finoptics, The Brief, your essential briefing on the intersection of finance and technology. Let's get rolling.
This is the brief on the massive new structural shift in digital finance. A sudden U.S. regulatory breakthrough triggered a massive chain reaction, instantly unlocking billions for market upgrades. It's kind of like a city finally publishing its zoning laws, immediately sparking a huge construction boom on blockchain infrastructure. First, the regulatory breakthrough. The SEC and CFTC released a token taxonomy, officially labeling 16 major assets like Bitcoin and Solana as digital commodities. Plus, technical upkeep like mining and staking are exempt from being securities. So why does simply naming these categories matter? Well, it completely erases the threat of surprise lawsuits, which was the biggest bottleneck keeping Wall Street's money sidelined. Second, upgrading the trading floor. With the legal guardrails set, Wall Street is rebuilding its plumbing. Nasdaq was just approved to trade tokenized securities. This means standard funds like S&P 500 ETFs will literally trade on blockchain rails using their exact ticker symbols. We're moving to programmable 24/7 on-chain trading. It's a historic shift, honestly, mirroring the jump from physical paper stocks to digital screens, finally owning the payment rails. While Nasdaq modernizes trading, Mastercard is outright buying BVNK, an infrastructure provider for stablecoins, which are crypto assets tied to the US dollar, for $1.8 billion. Let's be real, they didn't drop $1.8 billion just so we can buy coffee with crypto. It's a massive strategic play to bypass slow traditional banks and offer instant, global B2B payments. The era of theoretical crypto applications is officially over. Clear rules have integrated blockchain right into the core of traditional equities and payment networks. The future of money is no longer just an idea on the horizon. It's actively being built into the foundation of everyday finance.
This was NexTechie Finoptics, The Brief. Just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.